If you want to be able to rank a local business website, whether this is for your own business or for a client's business, you're in the right place. In this course, I take you along with me and let you watch over my shoulder as we go step by step through the entire local SEO process that is used to not only rank these sites organically in the Google search results, but also in the Google local pack. You'll be able to watch what I do so that you can follow along and implement these same steps for the site you'll be working on. So you'll not only have the exact steps and process that I use, but you'll also have the spreadsheet that I use to organize my project and track my work. Plus you'll have support to be able to get your questions answered as you go through and you implement what you are learning here. And of course, I'll be offering you additional resources to continue to expand your learning as you go. By the end of this course, as you follow along, you will have a better optimized website, but most importantly, you're going to feel confident knowing that the steps you took are going to lead to better results and higher rankings for your site. So if you want to start getting more leads and customers from your website, or you want to learn about this process so that you can earn monthly recurring revenue by providing local SEO services to clients, let's get started and I'll show you the entire process.